Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you what's in my fridge. Alright, so two things before we get started. The first thing is that I'm pretty good about cleaning out the fridge like every week, so there's not going to be moldy leftovers or like anything super crazy in there. And the second thing is that tomorrow is our usual grocery shopping day, so our fridge is pretty empty right now. So this is not, what's typically in our fridge, it's just what's currently in our fridge. So if you want to see what kind of stuff we usually have in the fridge, like, right after we grocery shop, then leave a comment down below and I can definitely do like a part 2 or like second version of this video. Alright, so I think what I'm going to do is just literally take everything out of the fridge, throw it on the counter, show you guys what I've got, and then just be able to like wipe everything down in the fridge and put everything in nice and organized and stuff. So I'll show you like before and after that as well. All right, well, let's get started. Wow. Okay, so now that the fridge is all wiped down, it's time to start putting stuff back in. So I'll just like tell you what it is as I'm putting it back in. So I didn't put this up for Kevin's teeth and stuff. Alright, so first thing we got is some eggs. Got one of these fancy little container things for him. I think it's super cute. It looks much nicer than like a regular egg carton. But the thing that I really like about it is you can like rest stuff on top of this, or especially if you have like 2 cartons of eggs, if you got like one that's almost done and one that's like fresh or something, you can like put one on top. And this also holds more than 12 eggs, so if you've got like one left over from the first pack, you can like stick that in front of this one. The next thing we've got is some bacon. We've got some imitation crab, flake style. Got some butter. Onions. Got bologna and pepperoni. We've got some cream cheese, some pesto sauce, some more butter, got water, vitamin water, more water. Alright, we've got some Naked Juice. This is their blue machine. I'm not a big fan of this one, I prefer the green one. Got some Arbor Mist. Got some Coffee Mate Italian Sweet Cream. That's my absolute favorite coffee creamer. And we've got some Kroger Hazelnut Coffee Creamer. Got some, oh goodness, got Cherry Zero Coke. This whole box is in the fridge. There's only 2 cans in here. Got the tiniest bit of iced tea left in here. Honestly, I think I might just drink this because I don't want to put this whole pitcher back here for this tiny bit. Right, we've got some unsweetened almond milk. with a nice little foil cap because I lost the lid somehow. And we've got some unsweetened vanilla almond milk. Alright, we've got some mozzarella string cheese. Got one slice of American cheese. We've got some shredded cheddar, some shredded mozzarella and Parmesan blend, and some shredded quesadilla blend cheese. Half a can of Coke. Got some bagel chips and cream cheese dip. We've got some kombucha. Got some chicken stock. Got some sliced pickles and some sliced pepperoncinis. We've got some club soda. Got some pizza sauce. This is actually like pizza sauce mixed with Alfredo sauce because we had 2 bottles and I just mixed them because reasons. And just some regular Alfredo sauce. Got a little sauce tray. So this is sake, this doesn't belong in there. We've got some butter chicken sauce. It's some more butter chicken sauce. Different brand. Not as good brand. Okay, we've got some pancake syrup. Got some soy sauce. I didn't used to keep soy sauce in the fridge. I used to keep it like in the pantry, and then I think I read somewhere or like saw someone else keep it in the fridge, and I was just like, oh, guess that's what you're supposed to do. I don't know if it actually says. It does. It says refrigerate after opening for best quality, so there's a lesson for you. Alright. Some barbecue sauce, some honey mustard. We got a lot of sauce. Right, so I think what I want to use this for, it'd be nice if I can group like one type of sauces in here, so it's kind of like a go-to bin for something, but it's hard to say what the best thing would be. And it's also not very wide, so not all kinds of sauce can fit in there. Let's say I have no idea. Let's put all the Asian sauces in there. So we got some Szechuan spicy stir fry sauce, some Asian sweet chili wing sauce, some other pretty much the same thing as this, different brand, Asian zing sauce for wings. We've got yum yum sauce, it's like Japanese hibachi sauce. We've got peanut coconut Thai sauce. That's pretty much fine. Let's get this back in the fridge. Also got Thai style basil stir fry sauce. We've got Olive Garden Italian dressing. That's definitely one of my favorite salad dressings. Got some ranch. Got some Parmesan garlic wing sauce. This is really almost empty. It's not expired yet, but almost. Alright, got my little leftovers corner over here. It's like half a hash brown from breakfast this morning. Got, I don't even know what this is. Oh, it's leftover noodles from dinner. Leftover noodles from like 2 nights ago. I'm sure that's still good. And some leftover sauce from Costco. I love these little containers. You guys probably think that this is like a weird size to keep for leftovers. Like, why not just like eat it? But I love it because I'll come home from work and it's like a perfect like as I'm cooking snack. So yeah, don't judge. Alright, we've got some mayo, some pickled jalapeno nacho slices. These are really good on salad, random, but yeah. I've got some cilantro lime ranch. This stuff is horrible. I would not recommend this brand. Alright, we've got 2 bottles of squeezed garlic. It's just like minced garlic in a little bottle. And we've got some squeezed ginger. And some black bean garlic sauce. Got some French fry dipping sauce. This stuff is amazing. Got some honey barbecue sauce. I've got, I should say more honey barbecue sauce. Pretty sure the last one was honey barbecue as well. Got some green Tabasco and some Valentina hot sauce. Alright, last little bit over here. We've got some lemon juice, some lime juice. I never really use these because if I plan to make something, I'll usually just buy like fresh lemon or limes, but I feel like sometimes you don't always plan it, you just like spontaneous lime. So, alright, we've got some guacamole salsa. Is this still good? Yes, it is. We've got some mild Taco Bell sauce. Got some, I don't know how to pronounce this, I'm gonna butcher it, hoisin sauce. Got chipotle aioli, of course. Got mild wing sauce. And some avocado ranch. Okay, are you guys ready to check out the after? I think it looks a lot better and actually has like some rhyme and reason to it. Alright, so on the first shelf, I made this little section right here, kind of like the eat me first section. So we've got all the leftovers, any like super perishable stuff, and stuff that I'm just like planning on making for meals this week. Then over here we have got our little sauce tray thing, and we've got some little like guacamole type sauces, and then in the back we've got our pickled thing, so pickles, nachos, pepperoncinis, stuff like that. Right here I've got all of our drinks. Here I've got eggs, and then next to it I'll put like, you know, whenever we buy more stuff. And then down here I've got our pasta sauces. It's a little cream cheese thing, and then more cooking sauces. Right, I've got the mayo just chilling over here because it's huge. I didn't really know. I'll put it up here. Yeah, it's huge. I didn't know. It just doesn't fit anywhere. Right, in this drawer is where I've got all the cheeses. I'm gonna lay these down actually. Yeah, so that drawer is just cheese. Then this is just miscellaneous club soda, teeth whitening stuff. Alright, over here, at the bottom I've got the milk, coffee creamer, alcohol, chicken stock, just chilling down there. Right, this is just like cooking stuff. So like ginger, garlic, lemon lime juice, and then, you know, soy sauce, other stuff that I use just for cooking. Up here is kind of like the more commonly used sauces, like salad dressing that I'll probably use like, you know, 4 or 5 times a week, ranch, honey mustard, chipotle mayo, other favorites. And then over here I've just got, again, more sauces. So I've got all the hot sauces over here and a lot of like the wing sauces, so like buffalo, barbecue, whatever the Parmesan one is at the back. And up there I've just got butter. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys liked this video. Make sure you like it if you did. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.